Oh my gosh, the phone's actually staying. I'm visiting at my parents' house and I have it like literally hanging off the edge of a mixer bowl on the top of a huge, those big kitchen mixers. Anyways, so it might fall. But I kind of like living on the edge, if you can't tell. I'm like hanging my phone off the edge. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I saw some recipes for chicken fried rice on here and I didn't have chicken. I had plenty of rice. I like cook extra rice whenever I can and just make extra, so that's what I did here. We have some nice flagrant white rice cooked. So you cook it, even if it's not like done all the way. Oh my gosh. Let me get some of it. I hate it when stuff starts sticking to the eye, and it wasn't there a second ago. So, yeah, I started with, I might as well do this live because I don't like prepare for my videos. Don't you love it? It's all live, baby. It's not edited. A little bit of vegetable oil. This is what they had here, so I'll add some of that. It's like a tablespoon of that, a teaspoon of soy sauce, and it just said like with garlic. I didn't have garlic, so I did garlic powder. One thing they don't have on there is honey, and I like to take the edge off. Especially, I'll put too much soy sauce in on accident, so you just add more oil, add a little bit of honey. It kind of like takes the edge off of the soy sauce, and it told me to start with cooking the egg, so that's what I did. And it kind of looks like that, you know, when you cook it in the wok with the soy sauce, vegetable oil, and a little bit of honey. So that's what I did here, and it kind of like strings out, which is how you want it in the stir-fried rice, right? And then I put some more oil in the pan, all three again. I think a little dab of honey, but more vegetable oil this time, and just a little bit more soy sauce, so it's not too much. And I chopped up some onion, some carrots. I'm cooking the broccoli separately in the microwave, and then I'm going to add it all together. But it said something about green beans, and I am not messing with no green beans right now. But yeah, you can see I have everything mixed together, the carrot, the onion. I put the rice in after the vegetables get, you know, a little cooked there for like 3 to 5 minutes. The same thing with the rice. 3 to 5 minutes, because remember, it's already cooked. And you're stirring it all up, just stirring the pot, right? And then I have a little bit of cilantro left over from our Mexican last night, so that's good. And I'm going to add the egg that we cooked. And if I had chicken, I would have totally set that aside first and cooked that first like it said, but I didn't have any ready, so we are doing vegetarian stir fry tonight, which is probably originally how it was done, right? And yeah, it looks good. Hopefully it'll taste good. So this is really easy. Instead of like pre-making an Asian sauce or buying one from the store, it's literally just oils, soy sauce, right, with the vegetable oil, and I'm adding a tad bit of honey to it again, and then you can add, you know, extra garlic or salt and pepper like it says. I feel like there's something in my shirt, but yeah, I'll have to comment and let you guys know how it is. But let me know if you have a different way of making stir-fried rice, or what's your favorite way. And it's been years since I've made it, so we'll see how it goes.